We continue to get you multiple reports from different parts of the country because there is growing anger across India over the fake witness scam. There is protest that is happening in Jammu, calling out the action that is happening against the Republic Media Network as condemnable.
Time and again, the senior staff of the Republic Media Network is being summoned. People are being pressurized to give a statement against Republic Media Network. FIRs are being registered against the editorial staff of Republic, and this is what has been happening for the last 3 to 4 months. Till the time we expose the Sushant Singh Rajput case, the drug nexus in the Bollywood.
Republic Media Network has been just pursuing the agenda of truth, the true journalism, for which the journalism is called as the fourth pillar of our constitution. This is the reason behind that. Let it be the Palghar case, let it be the Sushant Singh Rajput case. The truth is being pursued and the truth has been taken out. I just want one thing, and one thing to be very clearly, stated among all the entire nation. If some person is being given the tag of the number one, why their credibility is being questioned? We have cases, some very strong cases, the cases of Sushant Singh Rajput, the case of Palghar, and the way Arnab Goswami and the team of Republic Media, especially people like you who have been pursuing it, that has yielded the results of being the TRP number one and targeting the media people. I guess so this is a black day in the history of India. Since the independence, I guess an emergency was declared. It was declared upon everyone, but targeting a single news channel just for the purpose because they are showing the truth, this is highly condemnable, highly deplorable. And lastly, Arnab Goswami has been doing a majestic job. You see the way he pursues the case. You see, I guess so even those some investigative agencies have taken up the tips of the Republic Media, the way they have categorized and calibrated the entire case. I guess so he is doing a commendable job. He is doing a high-rated job. I watch Republic Media.
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.